Right.
What did you just find out?
You gotta cut my hair today.
Fuck.
I'm gonna have Jason do it because he's sober now.
Yesterday I had a dream. I saw myself on the New York scene, and everybody started to scream. But my face up there on the screen. I slipped into my best dress. I'm gonna go out tonight. Expect you to get loose now, and hope you don't put a fight. Remember that you only live one time. You gotta get crazy if you're gonna be mine. 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 If you're never weird in some way, you're not entertaining. And if you're never crazy, that's a shame. You're a little lazy.
So, you're gonna get your haircut again.
Yeah, I'm gonna clip my hair because I spent a lot of angry with me for having a haircut, so his masterpiece is not finished.
Oh, remember that you only live one time. You gotta get great. Remember that. Remember that. Oh, remember that you.
Previously like that.
Well, Dylan, can I ask you something really quick?
What's that?
You haven't been on camera yet since you got your haircut. It's been a
That's
few.
when you videotaped the fucking haircut.
Yeah. But this is after the haircut. That's what I'm
Okay.
saying is, how's it treating you?
Pretty well so far. I noticed some of the performer girls looking over at me, casting glances, and I'm like, yeah, bitch, I'm actually attractive. You just couldn't tell because my hair was too goddamn long. Get at me!